Sanibonani, so my name is Vusinova, and just to just a bit to let you guys in on who I am and just things in this time when I'm not performing, when I'm not on stage. Um, I love Uhlala, I love watching movies. I love space. So whenever I'm not working decently, or I'm spending time with my family, I love dogs, man. I love a certain breed though. Even though in Tanzania, but I love pit bulls because pit bulls are known as very dangerous and vicious dogs. But once you train them, they're actually amazing dogs. So I love pit bulls. I love horses. I'm a horse rider. Um, I play a game called Polo Cross. I'm sure most people don't know what that is. There's a game called Polo. So Polo is basically like playing soccer on a horse, and Polo Cross is like playing rugby on a horse. So that's the difference. Let me see what else. That's pretty much it. There's a new hobby that I'm trying to get into right now, and that is reading. It's something that I been attending a cool, but it's something that I'm getting into.